Have you been wondering on what to do in order to save money? Have you tried and failed? Hey, keep around with me as we go through the step-by-step on how to save money. Family, it's Miss Jade's class. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Step 1. Record your expenditures. You need to determine the much you spend on your essential and non-essential items. This helps you plan better for your finances. 2. As you're budgeting, you need to include savings. It must be part of the items that you budget for, and ensure that as you are planning on your budgeting, you set amounts of money that you are comfortable with. However, this has to grow to a percentage of 15 to 20% as per your finances with time. 3. Set goals. You need to set goals for your savings. They must be short, achievable, and specific. You need to set both short and long-term goals so that as you act as motivators for you to save more for big achievements. For example, you need to save for a phone. Set a specific amount of money, you get a phone. When you acquire the phone, it will motivate you to work harder to purchase bigger things like houses, homes, so on. So setting goals is really very paramount, but remember, they have specific, achievable, and you need to set a time frame when you need to have those specific goals achieved. 4. Set priorities for your savings. Remember, we have both short-term and long-term savings, and we need to save for our old age. 5. Cut your expenses. You need to determine the amount of money which goes on your non-essential things. For example, recurring charges. These recurring charges include subscriptions, which are really very unnecessary, and the automatic owner accounts. So if you are having such charges, you can unsubscribe so that you use those finances for further investments in the future. Then purchasing of non-essential things. If you are thinking of buying a non-essential item, first contemplate if it's really worth it spending on. This will help you cut unnecessary costs. 6. Embrace automatic savings. Put standing orders in your account so that your savings goes automatically into your saving account. Okay? This will prevent you from having the stress of putting a particular money off your account into your savings. 7. Watch your savings grow as a motivator for you to plan and save more. Thanks for watching. Please, let's meet in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Bye bye.